Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hair clip. I've made this one for a doll, but it could be made just as easily for a bridesmaid, a little girl, a grown-up, any special occasion, just any time you want something pretty for your hair. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thank you very much for watching, and here we go. For this project I'm using a hair clip which you can buy at the pharmacy, at Walmart, at the dollar store, and it's one of those bendy ones, and I've opened it up and I'll be working with the top part of the clip. You'll need some fabric scraps, and I used a bottle cap and a pen to mark a circle. The circle needs to be just slightly wider than the hair clip itself. I drew my circles on the reverse side of the fabric. I cut them out and then I folded them in half. Using a pair of scissors, I cut two horizontal slits, which are rather hard for you to see in this, but believe me, they are there. I put the top of the hair clip through the slits with the right side of the fabric facing down. Then, using my glue gun, I glued the second circle right side up over the top of it, and that will form my base for my ribbons. I like to see something that has dimension on top of these little clips, so I put a bundle of silky ribbons and a little rhinestone button. I used my glue gun to put them in place, and I think it looks really pretty. These little hair clips are fun to make, and you actually can make them in any size that you want to. And I've made mine for a doll, but you could make it for almost anybody. A bridal clip, almost any occasion that you can think of. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please help my channel grow by giving me a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. It's free to you, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.